Hi, I'm Donna Dewberry, the original creator of the FolkArt one-stroke painting technique. And today I'm excited to share with you our 2022 new Let's Paint program. And it is all about birds and blossoms. We have 2 kits, and the first kit I want to unbox with you today is all about our paint and our worksheets and everything you need to get started painting our lessons together. Now let me show you the first kit. I love unveiling these beautiful kits. Look at that. So what I want to share with you first is what's going to make it possible for you to do all your painting. We have the value pack of the FolkArt one-stroke brushes. And the beautiful thing about these brushes, they were designed just for one-stroke painting. And this is going to make your painting just perfect, all right? So then I want to share one of the things that is going to make all your painting birds work perfectly, and that is all these beautiful colors that we needed for our birds and blossoms, and they're all right here in your kit. So the beauty of this is that the multi-surface paint I want to share with you has beautiful surfaces. That multi-surface means it will paint on metal, wood, ceramic, many surfaces, and indoor and outdoor, because it has a beautiful sealer in it and it's a satin finish. It's just yummy, fluffy, my favorite paint. The medium that we're going to be using the whole time that we're painting is floaty medium, and you have a 2-ounce bottle of that. So now let's look at what's fun inside this folder. Besides, I painted for you a personal painting that I hand painted and I signed it to you of this bird's nest. I have inside this folder, which is a great keeper for your projects and your guides. We have a letter that gives you tips and hints about how to make your painting go smoother. We have the paint colors and more tips here, but we also have the pictures of the 6 lessons we're going to have. And so always keep it right here ready for you. And I like to keep everything in the box because when you're ready to paint with me, all you have to do is go grab it and everything's together. All right, so let me explain to you. This is my favorite part, is the reusable teaching guides. And they have a UV coating on them. And what's really great for you is that not only do we tell you what the meanings of a cardinal is, we also have the paint colors listed. We have the brushes that we use listed and the surface. And then we have these practice strokes. So you load the brush as we tell you the paints to put on the brush, and you stroke them on here so you can see if they look like mine or not. So you know if you've got the shading right. Now look what happens. In every guide, we have the exact size of the bird. And I'm going to take you from the back to the front, adding the detail. And we have the female and the male. So same thing, same size and everything. Then when you turn it over, we do things like the wood grain, the branches, and each guide is going to have this ready for you. And even better this year, I want to share with you that we have taken and traced out each bird for you. We've drawn each bird that you can trace with tracing paper and transfer it. And I do that on each lesson. And some extra elements on here that you can add, along with some words that you can add for each one of these lessons. All right, so there we are. Everything that you need to make this a wonderful kit that's perfect to do your projects this year. So I'm so excited to share with you our new number 2 kit for this year's program, and that is our surface kit. And there are 2 of these planks with the raw bark edge, which is yummy. And what's going to happen is that it has beautiful green showing, so that makes it nice for your projects. And this is a large piece. So there's 2 projects, the blue jay and the owl, that I used for these 2. This is our pretty scallop panel. It's got a really nice finish on it and pretty edges, makes it perfect for that bluebird that we painted. Now here's the 12 by 12 panel that we put our goldfinch on, and it's nice, like birch plywood, nice smooth finish. And then we have these 4 coasters in here for you. Now we use actually 3 of these coasters, so you have an extra one that you can do a little mini painting with. And these are, we raised them a little bit in the project, but it makes a really cute, different 3D type project. And now we have 2 wood palettes for our 2 different projects, which we did the toucan this way, and then we turned it for the cardinals this way. There's 4 panels on here, and they're really nice already to hang. There you go. Wasn't that fun, learning about the birds and the blossoms and the surfaces and the kits? I bet you're out there thinking, I can't wait to start painting birds. You know, Plaid's made it really easy for you. And all you have to do is go visit plaidonline.com/let's paint. And that gives you all the information, all the tools and supplies and everything that you're gonna need to paint along with me all during the lessons. And if you're there ready to paint or you've been painting with us already, please go join our Facebook group. And that's where you're gonna share your pictures that you're gonna be taking of everything that you paint with us. So go to Facebook and search Let's Paint with Plaid. And then when you join that group, what you would do is take your pictures of everything you've been painting with Plaid during the year and share with us by hashtagging Let's Paint Challenge. Thank you for being with me today, and let's paint.